What are we doing wrong that after 3 months of shutdown, the coronavirus continues to spread? Wearing a mask? Check. Social distancing? Check. Disinfecting surfaces? Uncheck. My name is Brian Wasser, and it might surprise you to learn that when you use a rag or paper towel to wipe down surfaces, you're actually deactivating the disinfectant and contributing to the spread of the coronavirus. Let me show you. Here we have a special biosponge made from Aquaflex technology that's been soaking in this EPA registered disinfectant for over half an hour. And over here we have an ordinary cotton rag. We're going to use this rag to soak up the disinfectant, and we're going to test the strength of the disinfectant that we squeeze out of both the biosponge and that we squeeze out of the rag. So we're just going to let this soak in here like so, and it'll soak up the disinfectant. Give that a chance to get it really good and soaked up. Then we're going to take our biosponge using the Aquaflex technology, and look how much it soaks up. That's the first thing. This gives you sufficient disinfectant to apply on your surfaces. And we're just going to squeeze out as much as we can right now. That should be more than enough for the purpose of this test. Okay, and then we're going to let's remove the paper, the rag. Again, this is a cotton rag, so we're just going to keep that handy here. And we have these test strips. Actually, let's start really quick. We're going to do a baseline test so you see what it should look like straight out of the bottle. So this will be our baseline test. We're going to do 10 seconds in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Take that out, and this yellow strip turns a nice color green, as you see, and that's showing us the full strength of the disinfectant. This looks like it's fairly, at least at the 800 parts per million for the active ingredients of the disinfectant. Let's take a quick check there. Yeah, we'll say it's at least 800 parts per million on the strength. Disinfectants are typically, by law, 600 parts per million or higher. And now we have the biosponge that we squeezed out. We'll take another test strip from our test kit. And again, 10 seconds in the solution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As you can see here, the test strip looks comparable to the baseline. Actually, for some reason, it even looks a little bit darker, which is shouldn't be, but there are some variations when we do these tests. And now we're going to squeeze out disinfectant from the rag. The old rag twist. There we go. We wring that out. And now we're going to take another test strip. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The moment of truth. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what's been happening across our country. In stores, grocery stores, hospitals, nursing homes, municipalities, restaurants. We think we're disinfecting surfaces, but in fact, use of rags or paper towels deactivates it. The only thing you're disinfecting are the rag and the paper towels. This is a special non-reactive foam, and that's why the biosponge or biomit that's available through US Biosolutions and other Aquaflex distributors is the only thing available on the market today that I'm aware of that you can apply your disinfectant effectively and maintain the strength. And in fact, if you read carefully on the labeling, it's a federal law that you have to follow the labeling instructions on the bottle of a disinfectant. but you can't soak, as most disinfectants will instruct you, you can't soak every surface for 10 minutes. Human beings just don't do that as a habitual nature anyway, and if it's a railing or a doorknob, it's not a flat surface, in other words, how's it going to soak? Gravity's going to pull it away. The BioSponge or BioMit actually will pull through its capillary network, will pull the viruses and other contaminants into the sponge so that the decontamination can occur within the sponge, and if it has to soak for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it can do so in the sponge, and you can move on to cleaning other surfaces. This has literally been a viral video about viruses. Thank you.